This video shows the process by which COVID-19 waste is collected and disposed of by Cramoil Singapore. First, let's take a look at the holding area for bins in the company. The clean bins have been previously sanitized, and are neatly arranged in the warehouse awaiting delivery to customer sites. In the morning, the biohazardous waste bins are loaded by the drivers into the lorry for delivery to hospitals, quarantine centers, hotels, custom checkpoints and ferry terminals. The delivery drivers don a full suit of protective equipment, masks and gloves as an added precaution, protecting themselves against contact with biological wastes. Upon return of the drivers to Cramoil Singapore, the biohazardous bins are unloaded within the premises. The biohazardous bins are then lined up neatly beside the incineration plant. Next, the bins are taken in pairs to the skip hoist. Disinfectant is sprayed lightly over the bins to disinfect and wash off any contaminants on the surface. The bins are attached securely to the skip hoist. The workers withstand high temperatures within the incineration plant, wearing proper masks and full protective equipment to ensure that the incineration process goes smoothly. The bins are lifted by the hydraulic mechanism. At the peak of its climb, the bins are held suspended in the air as the cover of the feed hopper opens. Next, the bins are tilted and held at an angle to empty its contents into the chute. After the bins have been emptied, they are slowly returned to ground level by the hydraulic mechanism. After passing through the chute, the waste enters the incineration kiln. Here, the biohazardous waste undergoes combustion at an average temperature of 1,300 degrees Celsius. All ash produced from the incineration process is disposed into skip bins. The plant engineer regularly monitors the operations and equipment at the incineration plant to ensure that all operation parameters are within acceptable ranges. Operational parameters, such as the temperature of combustion, are monitored and recorded to monitor the health of the plant over time. Next, here are some closer clips of electronic displays showing process and operational information at the incineration plant. The gases from combustion undergo a thorough scrubbing to remove toxic gases and pollutants, before being emitted at a height through the chimney. In the current global pandemic of COVID-19, it is undeniable that many companies and industries have been impacted. Despite the economic setback, Cramoil rises above the storm, finding a way to help in local efforts against the spread of COVID-19. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you for taking the time to listen. Have a good day ahead.